morning, this is the ETX Capital Market Bite. My name is Ed Brown. Today is the 2nd of October. Both the Nasdaq currently trading 46.27 and the S&P 500 at 19.23 closed in positive territory, with the Dow at 16,272 closing slightly negative as investors caused fears around global growth took effect, causing a sell-off in the emerging market assets. It's Nonfarm Payroll Friday today, and the US employers are likely to add jobs at a strong pace in September, a sign that the labour market is near full strength and could push the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates this year at one of its two remaining meetings. The figure is expected at 203,000 versus the 173,000 previous. The dollar was holding firm at 120.02 yen, confined to a tight 120.6, 119.245 range so far this week. The euro was flat at 1.1185, having drifted down from its week peak of $1.1282 struck on Tuesday. The current currency was poised to lose a modest 0.2% this week. The Canadian dollar fetched 1.3237 per dollar after hitting the two-week high of 1.3219. The Canadian dollar fell to an 11-year low of 1.3457 earlier this week when the commodities, including crude oil, took heavy hits amid the jitters over slowing global growth. Ahead of the US jobs data, the Australian dollar dipped 0.1% to 0.7021 to the dollar, nudged off a one-week high of 0.7085 to the dollar, scaled on the previous day when a release of Chinese manufacturing activity was not as bad as feared. Within the equity space, Experian, the world's largest consumer credit and monitoring firm, on Thursday disclosed a massive data breach that exposed sensitive personal data to some 15 million people who applied for the service with T-Mobile US Incorporated. Experian stock is down 3.5% in early trade at 1,033 pence per share.